Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I am addressing myself here to those that have the minimum requirements for Windows 11 and that have in their settings when they go to Windows Update, they're being offered Windows 11 in their Windows 10 system. So if you're in that category, you're in Windows 10, you are being offered Windows 11, but you're not taking the offer. You're keeping your system at Windows 10. One of the curiosities that I would one of the things I want to know is what is preventing you from moving ahead? So what is actually, making you keep Windows 10 the way it is? And so is it, what you hear, where it could be, stability, you're happy with Windows 10. Is it you don't like the interface of Windows 11? Is it simply, because you're happy with Windows 10, like I said, hardware that might not be as compatible or something that's just not there? Or you're waiting for Windows 12, waiting for something more. Whatever it is, anyways, that you are thinking of preventing you from moving ahead to Windows 11. I'd be curious to know if you are on a supported device, what prevents you? Why are you not clicking the Windows Update button? Is it things that you've heard? Is it, whatever? It'd be interesting. I want to know why you're not clicking that Windows 11. I'm just curious. And for those that are unsupported, how many of you, and please state that you're supported or not supported when you answer, so that I know that what category you are in. But if you're in the unsupported category in Windows 11, what's preventing you from moving ahead to Windows 11 if you'd be offered? And if you're not offered, of course, and you're unsupported software, but if you were offered Windows 11, how many of you that are unsupported right now would say, yeah, I'd go ahead and do it if I would be offered Windows 11 on my machine? And maybe you could answer the same question also as the ones that are supported, meaning if you are unsupported and you would be offered Windows 11, what would prevent you from going to Windows 11? Just out of curiosity. It'd be interesting to note these answers. So answer in the comments below. Please keep your answers friendly, family, readable. I hate to delete comments that are great, but just use a language that I can't approve. I sometimes have to do that, and it's sad because the comments themselves are often good, but the language used I don't want to allow. So, just explain it in a clean language, and it'd be interesting to see the responses. I will, of course, make a video and kind of probably, put the top reasons why you don't want to go to Windows 11 and so on. And I think it's going to be an interesting little experiment here for the questions. And I'll be making, of course, a video with the answers. And I think it's going to be fun. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.